Pride Plumbing is trying to find the oldest water.
I'm sure you've heard our memorable. I'm sure you've heard our memorable jingle on. This month, get a free primary sump pump with the purchase of a backup sump pump and.
Once you've done that, please contact us. Once you've done that, please I did it again. Once you've done that, please contact us.
Hey Brandon,
Hey, what's up?
you know how to fix a cracked pumpkin?
Tell me all about it.
Pumpkin patch, buddy.
Why
Oh, doesn't work today.
Hey Matt, I got a new dad joke for you. All right, lay it on me. I'm sorry. I love that reaction. I love that reaction.
So now I'm doing, wait, I'm sorry, what am I doing?
Kind of move your hands a bit like you're talking.
Talking, core values.
We wear shoe covers, masks, and gloves to keep ourselves safe. Oh, okay.
We are dedicated to making sure our customers are happy and satisfied.
Throughout Munch,
And thanks for watching Tech. Let me start over. For watching Tech Tick Toot. Oh.
We'll see you again next
thank you, yeah. We'll see you guys again next week.